Hello, landlords and property managers. In today's competitive rental landscape, property showings are more than just walkthroughs. They are strategic opportunities to connect with prospective tenants and move closer to a signed lease. But there's one aspect that often gets overlooked: documentation. Keeping accurate and organized records of each property tour isn't just good practice. It's essential for legal protection, operational efficiency, and informed decision-making. In this video, we explore the best practices for documenting property showings and tours, empowering you to stay compliant, improve your leasing success rate, and project professionalism at every step. 1. Maintain a consistent property showing log. Each tour should be meticulously recorded in a standardized property showing log. This log serves as a reliable reference, listing key details such as the date, time, property address, and the prospective tenant's name and contact information. It's also helpful to include a space for your own impressions or notes from the tour. Whether you prefer digital platforms or traditional paperwork, a uniform approach to documenting property showings ensures you maintain clarity, especially if disputes arise or you need to recall past conversations. 2. Use visitor sign-in sheets for security. Especially during open houses or multiple back-to-back showings, a sign-in sheet helps maintain accountability and transparency. Ask visitors to provide their name, contact details, and how they found the listing, be it online through referrals or via signage. This not only enhances your marketing strategy, but also builds a legal record of who accessed property, helping to safeguard against issues like post-tour damage or unauthorized entry claims. 3. Record immediate feedback from visitors. Capture tenant feedback as soon as the tour concludes, while impressions are still fresh. Document their likes, dislikes, and whether they intend to proceed with an application. This input can be entered into your showing log or directly into your property management system. Over time, this feedback helps you refine pricing, improve unit presentation, and highlight or adjust specific amenities. It also demonstrates that you are actively engaging with prospective tenants and making informed, data-driven decisions. Document all tour conversations and queries. During showings, prospects often ask crucial questions about amenities, policies, and neighborhood features. Take notes either during conversation or immediately after the tour to avoid forgetting these important exchanges. Recording discussions about pet policies, utility inclusions, or lease terms ensures consistency in follow-ups and can also support compliance with fair housing laws by demonstrating uniformity in the information shared with all applicants. 5. Photograph or video the property pre-tour. Prior to every showing, capture time-stamped images or short video clips of the property. This acts as a documented record of the unit's condition before the visit and protects you from false claims regarding damage or misrepresentation. Maintaining a photographic archive also helps track gradual wear and tear, making future maintenance planning more effective. 6. Note no-shows and late cancellations. Keep a log of any scheduled visitors who fail to show up or cancel last minute. Include their name, contact details, and the scheduled date and time. This documentation helps you identify patterns and reliability, filter out unserious leads, and maintain an accurate timeline of your leasing efforts. It's particularly useful if you're managing multiple units or coordinating with team members. 7. Use digital scheduling tools for automated records. Online scheduling platforms and CRM tools are valuable assets for managing property showings. They generate automatic confirmations, reminders, and logs of all scheduled appointments. These digital trails serve as an organized and accessible record of your showing calendar. When integrated with your showing logs, they streamline follow-ups, minimize no-shows, and add an additional layer of professionalism to your operations. 8. Track follow-up actions and application outcomes. After a showing, record whether the visitor submitted an application, requested additional time, or did not respond. This tracking system provides insights into your conversion rate. How many showings lead to serious applicants? It also enables you to prioritize follow-ups, schedule second viewings, and optimize your marketing strategies for better results. 9. Archive all communication records. Retain copies of every communication related to property showings, including messages, calls, emails, or text exchanges. These communications often contain essential details, appointment confirmations, application instructions, and responses to tenant questions. Using a property management platform that stores all interactions in one place can protect you from miscommunications and serve as evidence should any disagreements arise in the future. 10. Document for fair housing compliance. It is vital to ensure your documentation aligns with the Fair Housing Act provisions applicable in India under the Equal Remuneration Act, 1976, and the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016. Record who you showed the property to, how you handled inquiries, and how applications were processed. Avoid referencing protected characteristics such as religion, gender, or disability. Instead, focus on objective rental-related details to ensure fairness and legal compliance across all prospects. Bonus tips summarize, showing data by unit. As you collect documentation for each property, compile a summary report that highlights the number of showings, visitor feedback, applications received, and how long the unit remained vacant. This report can help you evaluate performance, fine-tune pricing strategies, and present progress to property owners. Such summaries are invaluable in refining your future leasing campaigns. Partner with SANGAU for hassle-free showing documentation. At SANGAU, we understand that successful leasing begins with professional, transparent, and well-documented property showings. Our expert systems streamline every part of the process, from digital scheduling to record management, ensuring that you never miss a detail. Whether you're managing a single flat or an extensive portfolio, our property management services in Bengaluru help you convert viewings into signed leases efficiently and confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more tips on professional property management and to learn how SANGAU can support your leasing journey in Bengaluru, stay connected and watch our full video series. Let SANGAU simplify your property management, one showing at a time.